Nathan O'Connick here with Bethel University Athletics. The Bethel Rose baseball team defeated LaSalle College today by a score of 16-2. We're here with Bryce Marquardt, sophomore center fielder from Champlin Park, Minnesota. Bryce went 4 for 5 with 4 RBIs, 3 runs scored, and a triple today. Bryce, you've had a very good start to the season, hot start, you might say, and today going 4 for 5. What has been going well for you this season, and what worked well for you today?
I think the biggest part is just putting the barrel on the ball, just doing whatever I can to get on base and let Watsy and Conrad hit me in. I think that's a big part of my leadership on this team is just playing by example, giving the guys a good leader to look at, and just getting on base for them, scoring a lot of runs, getting a lot of base hits. It just starting off the game hot for us, I think, has been a big key for us.
Definitely, Bryce. There's no secret you are a kind of a standout athlete here at Bethel University after having 14 receiving touchdowns this year for the BU football team and now becoming a kind of a standout here for the baseball team. What's the transition been like for you coming from football to baseball here at Bethel?
It's two very different sports, but the coaches make it really easy for me going from football to baseball or baseball to football at the end of the spring. It's really not too tough. They give me a lot of time to just rest, have a lot of relaxation, get my body warmed up, get my shoulder prepared for a long baseball season, a lot of games, and that's been a big key for me is getting my shoulder good to go for double headers.
Definitely. So, Bryce, this is your sophomore year, second time here down in Florida. Obviously, this is a great group of guys you have. What's been your favorite part of this team and being down here in this warm, sunny weather?
I think it's just the brotherhood that we have. I mean, it's a lot of guys that just genuinely love each other and genuinely just rooting for each other when you're on the bench and you see one of your buddies up at the plate. It's a big thing for us to be able to just cheer for and just want them to succeed. Not just to win, but just want them to be well-rounded off and just have a good attitude.
Definitely, Bryce. Last question. So March Madness started today, as you may know. Who do you have in your Final Four and winning the national championship?
Oh, that was a tough one for me. My Final Four consisted of Kentucky, Arizona, Wisconsin, and Duke. And I think the biggest question mark I had was, do I put Iowa State in the national championship game? And I just couldn't bring myself to do it. And I think after today, I think I learned a pretty good lesson about Iowa State. You know, they lost to a very, very, very bad University of Alabama Birmingham
14
team.
Seed.
14 seed. You just can't do that. So I think, yeah, Duke. I got Duke winning it all.
Duke winning it all?
I think I've put them in my bracket for the last 10 years winning it all, and they've came through once for me, but I think they're going to do it again.
Definitely, Duke is a very of a favorite choice to win it all this year. Well, that's Bryce Marquardt, sophomore center fielder for the Bethel Rose. Thanks, Bryce.
Thank you.